Unlocking IELTS Listening, Understanding Question Formats. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our IELTS preparation series. Today, we're diving deep into the IELTS listening section, and specifically, we're going to decode the different question formats you'll encounter. Understanding these formats is crucial because when you know what to expect, you can strategize your listening and responses more effectively. Before we get into the specifics, let's discuss why this is important. The IELTS listening section tests a variety of skills, from understanding main ideas to picking out specific information. By being familiar with the different question formats, you're not just answering questions, you're anticipating them. This can save you time and boost your confidence during the exam. 1. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. These might ask you to choose the correct answer from a list of options. There could be short or long MCQs. For short MCQs, listen out for synonyms or paraphrased expressions. For long MCQs, make sure you read all the given information before the audio begins, so you know what to focus on. 2. Matching. In this format, you'll often have to match certain items, such as a list of names to descriptions. Listen carefully for specific information and note any linking words that help connect the items. 3. Plan, map, diagram labeling. Sometimes, you'll have a visual representation and need to label it based on the audio. It's important to visualize the described scenario and anticipate possible answers. 4. Form, table, note, flowchart, summary completion. Here, you'll need to fill in the gaps in some sort of structured format. Listen for keywords, and be cautious about word limits if any are specified. 5. Sentence completion. You will be provided with an incomplete sentence and have to fill in the missing information based on the listening. 6. Short answer questions. These will require you to answer questions briefly, usually in no more than 1 to 3 words. 1. Always read instructions carefully. It sounds obvious, but it's crucial. Some questions will specify a word limit or ask for a certain type of answer, like a noun or number. 2. Predict possible answers. Before the audio starts, skim the questions and anticipate the kind of information you need. This primes your brain to pick up relevant details. 3. Stay calm and move on. If you miss an answer, don't panic. Focus on the next one. Remember, the audio won't wait. 4. Practice. Familiarity breeds confidence. The more you practice, the better you'll get at anticipating questions and extracting answers. That wraps up our guide on the question formats for the IELTS listening section. Knowledge is power, and now you're equipped to handle whatever the exam throws at you. Keep practicing, stay calm, and remember, understanding the format is half the battle won. Best of luck, and we'll see you in the next video.